Hi, I'm Ranveer Shori and you're watching IndiaGlitz.com.
Hi, I'm Rajat Kapoor and you're watching IndiaGlitz.com.
ये क्या है?
तुम्हारा चेहरा याद कर रही हूँ ताकि बिना देखे पहचान सकूं कि तुम हो.
Well, it's a film about 5 friends, one of whom is fat. He was also the first one to be cast in the film because after Mixed Doubles and Mithya, I pretty much knew that Ranveer will have to play this role. Also because he was actually fat at that time, so no, not really. He worked very hard to put on about 15 kgs for the film.
सुदीप सीरियसली यार तू शादी के बारे में क्यों नहीं सोचता है?
मुझे कोई मिला ही नहीं अभी तक मेरे जैसा.
हाँ इसके तरह ऑल राउंडर कहाँ मिलेगा?
नहीं, the 15 kg we needed me to put on weight because we couldn't afford prosthetics around the face and the neck, not for the paunch. There's no way I could have gotten that paunch. But yeah, putting on the weight would help me not look like a potato on a toothpick. Well, my character in the film has quite a journey, if I may say so. As far as journeys of characters go, I start off being just a fat guy in the film, and I end up being just a fat guy in the film.
मुझे तो मिल गई यार. Someone who loves me for who I am. I'm in love.
Who told you that? Who leaked the story out? You're not supposed to know that.
I think it might have been the trailer.
You saw the trailer? And the trailer says there's a clerical mistake in heaven. There's a clerical mistake in the promo, I think. You were not supposed to have seen that. It's a larger than life film, if you want, in which Ranveer plays larger than life role.
Larger than Ranveer role.
Larger than Ranveer role for sure. So yeah, well, one guy dies. He was not supposed to die, and he has to come back.
Bas.
So she's seen it in the promo. He comes back in somebody else's body. So yeah, it's a body and soul disconnect.
Naveen! Dead? What do you mean dead?
थैंक यू बाबा टाटा.
I can't be dead यार.
तुम क्या सुपरमैन हो?
Where did I steal it from? Is that what you're asking? Yes, that's what you're asking? No. See, it's not a new idea. Nothing is a new idea. You can't, I challenge you to think of a new idea in the next 10 years. You can't. Because everything has been done. This has also been there in folk tales. It's not new. Girish Karnad has written a play called Hayavadana, which is similar, which is inspired from a folk tale itself.
Mithya itself was inspired from a Narad story where there is a body-soul disconnect, if you remember.
Exactly. So these stories are there. But then why do you choose a particular story to tell? What is your interest in that? That is what makes it exciting. What is the hook for you in that? Or what is the story that you're going to hang around that, and then make it contemporary and real for our audience. That's where the excitement is.
What's gone is gone.
What is gone is not gone.
Purab, I pretty much knew because I've always wanted to work with Purab, never worked with him earlier. And every time I would meet him, I was a Purab next film, for sure. And he's playing Naveen, and Purab brings a certain vulnerability, earnestness, which he has. You look at Purab and you say, oh my God, what a nice guy.
Charm.
And charm. So all of that so that also I knew. Gul also I knew. I didn't audition her. Though it was a bigger risk, I think, with Gul because I had not seen her really perform. But instinctively one went for her and she was wonderful. For the other 2 roles that Neil plays and Gunjan plays, for those we auditioned a lot. I met many actors. And I enjoy meeting actors.
ए मोटे तू भी खरीद ले अंडरवेयर.
मैं नहीं पहनता.
अच्छा फ्रीडम ऑफ मूवमेंट हाँ.
दुनिया वालों
नहीं, मेरे वो मतलब नहीं था. Yeah, shut up, okay.
कमांडो घूमते हैं कमांडो.
I call him a principal because more than the best parts that I've got in my career, he has been kind enough to give me. More than that, my working with him is born out of a selfish desire to learn. working with Rajat for me is a learning experience more than anything. Because I might be an actor to you, but to me, I'm a student of cinema. And that part of me satiated working with Rajat. So that's why behind his back I call him principal. But thank you very much for not telling him that I was calling him principal.
Well, it's been to a couple of not very big film festivals. One in New York, one in LA, one in Shanghai. The response was very good. It's always a pleasure showing a film to a different audience. But finally, what you're waiting for is how your audience reacts to it, because the film was made in India for an Indian audience.
सुदीप साले मोटे गैंडे
Also, what happened, I think, in the last 2 years, there was a different kind of a wave when blockbuster mainstream cinema made a comeback. So films like Dabang and Wanted and Ready, and that's what the audience wanted to see. Now again, I think, I feel with Vicky Donor and Kahani and Pansing Tomar, the wave just might be changing all over again. So if that is true, then Fatso has a good chance. You know, I believe every film has its own destiny. So whatever has to happen will happen. If it does well, I'll be very happy. If it doesn't do well, we'll shrug it off and start working on the next film.
I took about 1 year to lose the weight. Actually, the stomach ka roundness still hasn't gone. Now after
5 months to put it on, 1 year to take it off. Be careful, girl.
So I was waiting for the film to release, I think, to drop the last 2 kilos.
Now is the time. Now is the time.
Yeah, after so many years, after a couple of years of waiting, now finally when it releases, I'll feel, okay, this is complete, I can move on now. Please watch Fatso, it's your story.
so good to see you.
Well, come and watch the film, because I think it's a fun film. It's an entertaining film. It'll make you laugh.